Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and I am super excited today to introduce to you our newest bead, the Potomax AVA and EVA. So these are a take on our classic Czech shapes that we created with that nice chevron shape as well as the triangle in that EVA and EVA, and brought to you in the Potomac's metal, that awesome zinc produced in Greece. So looking at that fun versions of these here, we have the metal EVA and EVAs. We are all here at Potomac Beads super pumped to have these on hand and to be working with them. The designs are endless. I've had so much fun already creating with these and working with them in this metal. So one of the main problems with this shape is it's really hard to produce from a glass mold. We actually have a huge breakage rate during the actual creation process of the EVA, because they are hand produced and tumbled. They are made of glass generally when we created them, both the EVA as well as the AVA bead, both manufactured in glass. So as we were thinking about this and brainstorming with our newest Potomac's line, we decided it would be amazing to have these multi-hold shapes in actually metal. So I am super pumped to be able to start creating with the EVA and EVA in metal. This is a Zamack metal, which is basically a combination of a bunch of different materials that keeps its finish amazing and has a really, really great Grecian quality. We have an awesome opportunity to actually go to the factories where they are produced and meet with the owners to design the EVA and EVA and make them exactly the same as their glass variety. This allows you to take any pattern that we already have with EVAs and EVAs and make them in this metal. It is a little bit heavier, but because they are metal, they don't have that breakage like the EVA and EVAs may have because of their delicate glass shape. So I really just started playing around with these in the rose gold color, opened a factory pack, making kind of this very modern jewelry with that chevron shape hanging down here with a little link. I've also taken them and done the same thing, kind of creating almost that arrow design in this, again, very modern and sleek, working with the rose gold, which I love, in the actual EVA bead. Using a bunch of the different metals and the tubelets. I have these earrings, the mercury earrings that will be coming out, that uses the tubelets and the EVAs and the EVAs in that Potomac's to make this fun kind of heavy metal chic earring. I've also been playing with the endless rings, creating that nice design for this endless summer ring that again will become a tutorial as well. It's awesome to get the opportunity to play with these traditional beads that we've had for a little bit in this new metal. We are super pumped, and I can't say how excited we are to be working with these beads and creating jewelry. As soon as they came, I was so excited to create and make a necklace out of them to wear and style exactly the way that I wanted it. Now that being said, you can make anything you want out of the actual Czech EVA and EVAs as well as the glass ones in addition to those. You could even mix and match those two together, whether or not you want to use the metal and the glass, or what type of design you want to do for those EVA and EVA beads. So unlike the EVA and EVAs in the glass, the metal is going to keep its shape, keep its actual finish, and you'll be able to use them in the quantities that you are actually looking for. Again, any of the patterns with the EVA and EVAs, because they were made to the exact same size, will allow you to take that fun look from a kind of more glass and more delicate look to a heavier look with that metal. They are a substantial metal, and they do have that nice heavy quality to them. Great for wrap bracelets and different designs as well, if you happen to see any of the other videos that you can look at there. The other thing that you can play with for the EVA and EVA, again, is kind of that modern look, creating V's, whether or not you're using the rose gold, which is really trendy right now, and just a little bit of chain. A little bit of the metal and EVAs can go really far. So remember, if you want to get regular updates from us like this on the EVA and EVA in that Potomac's metal, remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, also to get ideas, to check out the videos to come with them, as well as to get the Better Beader episodes to help you make you a better beader. As always, you can give a little thumbs up, comment below and let us know exactly what you're going to be doing with the Potomac's EVA and EVAs, as well as shop online with us at PotomacBeads.com, as well as PotomacBeads.eu. As always, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully you guys are as excited about the Potomac's EVA and EVAs as we are here at Potomac Beads.